So I recently picked up the Apple Watch Series 5, and I want to make the user experience even more better. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the top 5 best must-have accessories for your Apple Watch. So yeah, this is just a simple top 5 list. I don't even know what's inside this package. I know what I ordered, but... Alright, this is a band. Now, these are the sport loops. This is like about $15, $16. Feels soft, very, feels really good. We're gonna put it on my Apple Watch right now. Okay, I'm gonna throw all my watch bands down below, so if you guys like any band you see, I'm gonna just throw every single band I got. This is way better than the nylon band that I just had on, or even the sport loop. So yeah, this is a lot more comfortable, and this is really dope though, because this is reflective, so if I shine the light on this, it's gonna reflect the band. It's like a reflective, so if a car is driving, you're gonna kind of see the shine. So it's kind of like the Yeezy's reflective lace, so it's similar to that. Alright, so let's show off all the colors. I'm kind of breezing through this video because I gotta attend this webinar. Oops, I just did a little drop test on my Apple Watch. I'm gonna throw a link in the description to all this. And it came with all these bands. It's like a pack for like $16. It's a steal, way cheaper than the Apple $50 one. You're definitely gonna have some change to spare. And really, if you do the math, 50, that's like 150. Like, that's just insane for Apple Watch bands. Okay, I don't think it matters too much if the loop is on the top. You know, one thing I see Apple doing, they're gonna have Risk ID. So Risk ID, you put your Apple Watch on, it's automatically gonna register your that is you. So if someone takes your Apple Watch, they can't use it because they don't have your risk. I see Apple doing something like that. Instead of entering your passcode every 5 seconds, it's not really reflective. It's not reflective at all. Because the other one, as you can see, you see that little shine? It kind of shines. Alright, last but not least, we got this black one. Let's activate beast mode, man. This thing is... Sling! Hope I didn't cut the band. Okay. Alright. One thing I appreciate with Apple Watches, it's easy to slide out the band, swap them out, place them, get different colors. I'm going to be rocking out with this black one though. Yeah, this black one is hot. Especially you have the space gray Apple Watch. Yeah, this is fire. This is hot. It's a little bit of reflectiveness. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see. And if you look closely at the band, you see that slightly reflective, that white. I don't really see it. Maybe I have to go outside and do a real world test. Alright, so that's the Entity Sports Loop for your Apple Watch. I picked up some bumpers for the Apple Watch, but they not no ugly bumpers. I'm just going to show you guys. Okay, look at these guys. Woo! Oh my god. Alright, let's take it out the plastic. I'm getting hyped. Alright, just bust that open. Alright, look at these bumpers. So it's literally gonna turn your Apple Watch, and this, you know, this goes for the Series 4 too. You could turn it into a rose gold. Alright, let's take out the band first. Okay, I need to try this immediately, especially the black one, the glossy, nice, shiny black. Alright, I'm gonna keep on getting my passcode wrong. Okay, so we're gonna try out this bumper. Oh my god, look at that, guys. This is beautiful. It is made out of plastic, and these are like bumpers, so it's gonna protect the Apple Watch from scratches on the frame. If you look at it closely, you have everything matching already. You have your side button, your crown, your microphone, your speaker grill. This is a nice bumper right here. Don't it looks more expensive? And from a distance, it really looked like you picked up the most expensive Apple Watch. So when you're going out to eat, that fancy occasion, this is the band. This is the setup I'm going to be rocking out with. Let that sink in, guys. You got the copper bumper with the pink denim, or the what do you call this? This is nice. Fancy. And maybe have like a nice watch face. This red one, man. This Christmas time, you throw on the white band, throw on the red bumper. Now you're showing Christmas spirit. Now you're showing your true Christmas colors. You know, the pine green and the red works really well. Now, if you have an older Apple Watch, I'm going to throw an alternative down below. Now, this is a Hermes band, but this is without spending the Hermes price. Get the Hermes band without spending the Hermes price. You get the two-tone. You got navy on the bottom, and you have like a creamish on the top. Got a small wrist, so of course I'm using the last hole. You could throw in a stainless steel clip, or even gold. You can even get away with the gold. Okay, next up, so you got your Apple Watch charger. There's actually no name brand, but it's $6, and all it is gonna hold the charging puck. So it's like a coin machine. You just put the charging puck in there, the Apple Watch hold in place, and you run the cable like so. You put the USB in the coin area, so now it's in there perfectly. And for $6, there's really no excuse not to have one. Yes, it's made out of a little silicone, but the price is right. And last but not least, at the number 5 spot, we have an Apple Watch case. This is from TYD, and I actually got this case like about 3 years ago, 2016, and I made a review on it. I got all the colors, the camo, the blue, the black, the brown, the leather, and even the carbon fiber. And I gotta say, 3 years later or 4 years later, it's going pretty strong. Now, I got rid of the back part here. This is where you can store your bands to put all my cables, because my cable is just all over the place, all my cables. So since I got 6 of these, I have a bunch of them, and I don't know, I can't find them. But now it's an emergency, because now I have exactly 20 bands, at least 20 bands. But this is a really good case. This is what I'm using to store my Apple Watch bands currently. Yeah, I'm gonna get more bands, it's only right. It's just, after a while, it's just not gonna be enough space. Like, I have a bunch of bands here, man. Like, it's just insane. And yes, I'm even wearing the Apple Watch band right now currently. But even so, the same company, they made a travel case too for your Apple Watch, so you could store like 5 bands and, you know, store the charger. So when you're on the go, it's a nice little small case. I literally have a bunch of cables, and yeah. But yeah, and you could use it for storage too. But guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this top 5 simple Apple Watch accessories. Me personally, I like the clip better. I'm rocking it out right now. It looks exactly like the, you know, expensive rose gold from back in the days Apple Watch, the Series 1. And yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned, because I am going to do a review on the Series 5 and compare it to my Series 0. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on notifications so you guys will be notified when I upload. And other than that, your boy Pops, and I'm out. Peace.